In this video, I'm going to show you the chords of A, B, C, D, E, F and G, but it's going to be minor chords. In the previous video, I covered major chords and I showed you how to get them by the use of two numbers for each chord. The number was 43. Now I'll just show you on here what we did to get the A chord, the A major. So we start off on the A and we counted 43. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3. That gave us the A major chord. Now what we're after now is the minor chord, but we're going to swap them numbers round from 43 to 34. And it's going to end up looking like this. From major to minor. So let's just confirm it. A, so we go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your A minor chord. Take a screen grab if you want for reference. Made up of the numbers 3, 4. So let's go to the B chord. So originally you was 1, 2, 3, 4 there. 1, 2, 3. That was your major chord. Okay, and now we're going to be minor chord. Always use those numbers just to confirm. Any slight doubt, use them numbers. Even sometimes I do, even now. So, minor chord, start off on the B, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, B major triad chord. Take a screen grab if you want of that, for reference. Let's go to the C chord. Originally it looked like that. That's C major. It was made up of the number 43, but we're going to reverse it, 34. And it's going to look like that. So major to minor. So let's do it, confirm it. C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. C minor. Let's go for D. Originally looked like that. C major, D major, C minor. Okay, let's confirm it. D, 1, 2, 3, beg your pardon. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your D minor. And then let's go to E. So we had originally start off with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 43. Now look at that. You don't often use E major, but you quite more often use E minor. And so we're going to go from major to minor. So from 43 to 34. Let's confirm it. E, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get that finger out of the way. Screen grab that. That's your E minor. Let's go to the F, made up of FAC. Okay, that was your major. This is going to be a minor. Isn't it different? Let's confirm for the minor. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you can screen grab these if you want for reference. So you got F minor. And then I'll do a G. I could do a G up here, but I'll start one with this G here so you can see it better. So originally we had G, B, D, which made up the major, number 43. Fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do from major to minor, and that's made up of 34. Let's confirm it. 1, 2, 3. So, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go back round to the A minor. That's it. We're going to add different ones later on. 7th chord, dominant 7, major 7, augmented, diminished, etc. Power chord, octave chord, first inversions and second inversion. Look out for those in the later videos. In the meantime, each chord that I make, A, B, C, D, E, F or G, are going to be variations. So we've done the major chord in the previous video. Today, with this one, we've done the minor chords. And in the next one, we're going to do 7th, dominant 7th chord. Very similar to the previous ones. We're just adding another note. So thank you for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, give it a thumbs down. Please share the video, please subscribe. Cheers.